Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we're going to see how you can create and delete sheet using AppScript. So for this, click on extension, go to AppScript. I have given this script name create and delete. So first we are going to take a function to call this create sheet. Sheet name. First we take a variable, we take sheet, we call this spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. Now sheet dot use insert sheet. Sheet name. That's it. See, we have created this. So let me run it again and I'll show you. So this is how you can create create sheet from AppScript. So now I'm going to delete sheet. Okay. To delete sheet, what you have to do? Okay. First you have to take a function. We call this delete sheet. Name, and then first we take spreadsheet app, we get active spreadsheet, and I'll take a second variable, call this sheet spreadsheet dot get sheet by name. And it would be sheet 6, and spreadsheet dot delete sheet sheet. Okay, so if I run this script, see it's deleted. We will take sheet 9 and see it has deleted. So this is how you can create sheet and delete sheet using AppScript. But what if you want to create a specific sheet like by name? So to do this, you can use dot set name, and we call this, let's say I want to set name ABC we successfully created this ABC sheet. Let me give you an example. ABCDD, and see, we have successfully created. So this is how you can create and delete sheet using AppScript. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you.